Want to ride the wave of TikTok trends and challenges? Let's get you started in just 2 minutes so you can join viral fun and get noticed. To find trending hashtags, tap the Discover icon and browse hashtags with the fire emoji. Join a TikTok challenge by searching the hashtag or sound, then record your own version. Use trending sounds by tapping Add Sound and selecting popular tracks to boost your views. Feeling creative? Start your own challenge by creating a unique hashtag and inviting friends or followers to join. Follow trending creators on the viral video. Tap the creator's username to open their profile. If you like their content or they are consistently trending, tap the follow button. Keep up with trends by regularly checking TikTok's For You page and the Discover tab. Want to remix a video? Use the Duet feature, click the Share button and select Duet to create side-by-side videos with other creators. Or use Stitch to clip and respond to parts of their videos. Both Duet and Stitch are great for challenges. They help you collaborate and add your twist to trending content. And that's how you stay on top of TikTok trends and challenges. Like, subscribe, and comment on Tech Tutor if you want more TikTok growth hacks. See you in the next video.